Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And again, markets opening with a gap up, moving up and then taking resistance from higher levels and then starting to move down. Why did markets take resistance? Is because if you see last time also selling had started from this zone itself, right? From like 44,950 levels. And again, markets exactly taking resistance from that zone and starting to move down. I wasn't able to take any trades today because I was out with some work, and that's why I could not take any trades, right? But no problem at all. What can we do for tomorrow is very simple. First of all, if we see in the daily candle, right, market has made a very big red hammer candle right over here, and again, the body is also pretty big, so that means market could continue its momentum on the downside till 44,000 and then maybe get sideways between this 1,000 point range for a pretty long time, right? But anyways, tomorrow what will be the best place or the best scenario for us is that if we open with a small gap down somewhere near 44,400 or maybe even 350, all these levels, right? 44,400, 350, 300, all these levels. Then when the market comes up near 44,450, we will go ahead and take a short position again till at least a target of 44,200. Because why I'm saying this is that we'll look at Nifty, if you see, has given a breakout failure over here, right? I'll go ahead and yeah. If you see, Nifty has given a breakout failure above this zone. Nifty opened with a gap up, took support, went up. But if you see exactly from where the selling had started last time, this zone, now markets again taking resistance from that zone and starting to move down, right? So Nifty is at a picture perfect place, but we'll get to Nifty first. Let's complete talking about Bank Nifty. Tomorrow, if we open flat and start moving down, we will not take a trade. Why will we not take a trade? Is that what could happen is that, see, if you see, market has already moved down 500 points straight today, right? So if we open flat and take a short trade, maybe what might happen over here is that markets will go down, take support like, maybe at 44,400 or just a little bit below today's low, and then start moving up, take a pullback and then maybe come down again, right? So we do not want to get caught in that pullback. When is a very good chance is that if say market open near 44,300, 350, anywhere below 44,400, and then if the market start going up, then we can take a short position because that will be a pullback and then markets could again move down. So if you open flat and start moving down, we will not take a short position. Even if you have to take a short position, take with less quantity, at least in Bank Nifty. For Nifty, it's a bit different, but yeah, at least in Bank Nifty, we'll not take any sort of a trade over there, right? If we open the very big gap up somewhere near 40, anywhere near 44,800 and above, then we will go bullish from here till at least 45,100. 45,000 to 45,100, that will be our easy target because a lot of shorts will get trapped over here, right? Anybody who would have made short position today will get trapped if we open with such a big gap up, right? So we can expect a pretty good momentum at least till 45,000 to 45,100, right? Then maybe markets might again take resistance and start coming down. So if we say open somewhere near 44,800, we'll wait for the first 5 minutes and then we'll go ahead and take a buying position over here, but keep your quantity a little bit less, right? Because markets may take a little bit of resistance. Markets may also trap buyers if we cross this day's high, because 45,000 is a very good resistance still, so we cannot ignore it, right? So even if you open it say with a big gap up, we will you can take a good trade, bullish trade over here, but at least kind of trail your stop loss properly and do not hold for long time if the market is going against you, right? On the downside, as I said, we want a gap up or somewhere near anywhere below 44,400. If we open the very big gap up somewhere near 44,200, right, or below, then we'll need to wait for the first 5 minutes and see how the price action is. If the market is not taking support from 44,200, then as soon as we see a negative price action being built in the 5 minute chart, we can go ahead and take a short trade in Bank Nifty. Our target will be 44,000. Then the markets could again take support and start moving up. Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty is at a very good place for a breakout failure, right? 19,370 is a very crucial support both in even in futures. Why in futures? I'm going to show you guys something, right? So I'm going to go ahead and apply volume profile, right? if you see this fixed range volume profile, I'm gonna cover all of these candles, right? uh, if you see this consolidation zone, so this volume profile shows you where were the most positions made, where was the most volume in the market. So at this point where nifty is, right, there is the highest volume over here, so a lot of positions are at this point. Tomorrow if you open with a gap down, a lot of people will get trapped over here, and that's so if we open with any sort of a gap down in nifty, we've closed at 386, any sort of a gap down at 350 or below 350, and we'll look for shorting opportunities in nifty, right? You can wait for a negative price action, you can wait for any sort of a selling indication that you wait for, and then we'll go ahead and take a short position. If we open say somewhere near 19320 and all these else, we'll wait for a pullback till 19370 to 380, and then we'll again go short from here, and we can expect nifty to easily break these lows and continue its move on the downside. Because even in the daily charts, if you see, you know Nifty has made a very big red candle over here, right? So definitely we can expect this momentum to at least continue till these lows, right? Maybe the momentum might also break these lows, but we can also at least expect we can get a momentum till 19260 to 250 easily over here in nifty. So if you want to sell in nifty as of now, because nifty is looking more weak as compared to bank nifty. This is because mainly of reliance. If you see reliance, yes, Reliance is pretty bearish. Reliance has also broken its major support of 2500 today, right? And now it's moving down. Even it has even broken this swing over here. So definitely Reliance is more bearish, and that's why. And if you see HDFC Bank and ICICI has closed in green over here. HDFC Bank not so much bearish, right? Still holding on to its supports. So that's why if we want to sell, we will sell in nifty, and if we want to buy, we will buy in bank nifty, right? Because bank nifty is definitely way more stronger than nifty as of now. So in nifty, as I said, if you open flat and start crossing, you can still go ahead and take a buying position. Do not keep a stop loss of more than 30 to 40 points, because if the selling has to happen, it will happen very fast. You can also wait for a 5-minute closing below today's low, that is below 19370, and then you can take the trade for some more confirmation, right? If we open with a gap down, as I said, we'll wait for a pullback till 19370 to 380, and then we'll again go ahead and take a short position. Our targets will at least be 19,300. That will be our first target, and your second target will be 19,260 on the downside. If you open with a very big gap up in nifty, say 100 points or 80 points in this range, then we'll do nothing for tomorrow, because then nifty will be in a place where things will be a bit volatile. And right, if you open with such a big gap up, we'll focus more on bank nifty. And again, if you open, as I said, any sort of a gap up below 44,000, and like any sort of a gap up above 44,800, and then only we'll buy. But below that, we will not do anything tomorrow, because things will be a bit volatile. So it's better to just skip a day, and then we'll see what we can do for for the next week, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. We were expecting that markets could take resistance, but it happened today itself, so we could not do anything, right? But yeah, again, next week can also be very good, can also be a good week for us, since now a volatility has already happened in the market, right? Market has moved up, moved down, so markets could now show us a proper direction for the next week. But anyways, that is something that we'll discuss in another video. And yeah, for now that was it, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.